It's no surprise that most people still find it difficult to save video on Instagram directly to their phone. All they do is save the video, come back to the same Instagram, watch the video there. But there are simple methods you can just follow and get all these videos saved on your phone. This is how I've been doing it and it's been working for me. And this works for both smartphones and computers. Step 1. Go over to the Instagram. Locate the video you want to save on your phone and click on the share button. Copy the link and go over to your browser, whether on your phone or your computer. Then type in fastdr.app. Once it opens, paste your link there and click on download. Then you can now download your video. So the video is saved directly to your phone.
Learn to love yourself first. You don't need confirmation from a man or a woman.
Alternatively, on the browser, type in instavideosave.net. Once it opens, paste in your link there and click on download. So it will give you options from video resolutions. Click on anyone you like there and the video will be saved directly on the phone. There you go. You will find links to this website in the description below. If you find this video helpful, kindly drop your comments in the comment section and follow us for more.